Oh, hey there. Didn't see you there for a second. Welcome to another episode of Wrenching Around. That's right. We're in the middle of supercharging this bad boy with 400-pound nitro shots. Quarter mile, 0 to fucking 60 in 2.1. It's pretty badass. What do we got going on tonight? Labeling stuff. Labeling alternator wires. I'm even labeling like ground strap wires because I'm assuming by the end of this I'm going to be pretty confused. So even very simple things I'm labeling. Labeling vacuum lines. Labeling more vacuum lines. Took off the upper rad hose. Took off the lower rad hose. Had to go buy a couple more containers for coolant. And oh yeah, got a moving blanket for the front. I'm gonna buy another fender cover for over there just because I can. And of course I had to buy a new friggin' torque wrench, click style, because I can. What the frig, why not? And so now I'm going to take that ground strap off down there. And yeah. After that I'm going to make sure I've labeled all the different electrical wires and vacuum hoses and removed the ones that I'm going to need to get out of the way. And take her from there. Then I'm going to get rid of the alternator, power steering pump, and the I'm going to take off the I guess I'm going to take off the fan, and I'm going to remove the radiator shroud and take out the rad. So yeah, let's get down to it. All right. Pro tip from a rookie. Yeah. So what you should have, see if we can get you else figured out here. Manual. Big Ziploc bags. Little Ziploc bags. Some paper. Some gloves. Some more paper to write down all the things that you need to buy and all the things that you need to replace, such as .3/8 vacuum line. This goes from my charcoal canister to the bowl vent on the Rochester Quadrajet. And as you can see, she's seen better days, probably losing a horsepower or something through those cracks. You're going to want to get some painter's tape or masking tape and like a Sharpie or something to write stuff down so you know, like when you're confused as all frig because you've been at it for a month, you know what line is what. I even wrote like lower friggin' rad coolant return line on that thing, and same with the upper one. I might need to replace it, I don't really know, but and if you got vacuum lines and whatnot, a good vacuum line diagram, especially when you're throwing it all back together, probably something good to have. And yeah, of course you're gonna need friggin' some more beer. Friggin' out. We're not even gonna get that coolant line off with only 4 beer left, but that's fine. So preparation is key. Take pictures. I've taken a bunch of pictures. Make a list of things you're going to need. Get them. I need to buy another fender cover so I quit scratching my fender here. And I'm going to buy I'm going to get a couple like shop blankets or moving blankets or something. Like, put a blanket over the side or something like that, or over the nose as well. So there you go.